believe you can cut straight, take your time, don't rush. So we'll run a chisel up here. Bit ratty. Make sure you clear the corner, and away you go. Nearly through. There you go. Check that for square. So really there's nothing to it. First of all, believe you can do it. Get yourself a good saw, a sharp chisel, a knife of some variety, heap of scrap timber, and practice. Guaranteed you'll be cutting straight lines in no time flat. With crosscut sawing, before the age of the drop saw or the band saw or any of those other things, this is what they used to have. It's called a saw box. This one's a Stanley, and I reckon it's got to be 70 or 80 years old. And for those, they used a big back saw that used to go in, or does go in, like that. And you'd put your timber in, find out what angle it is you wanted to cut, and you would just there's your angles. They were great for repeating cuts and what have you, but you can't get those anymore. The replacement to these are much nicer and a lot lighter. Oh, and here we have it. This one's made by Nobex, and it's more of a bow saw than a back saw. And this one you can get different blades. The blade I have fitted to this one is a Japanese blade, and that's the standard blade there. And the Japanese teeth are much more aggressive, I guess you could say, but they give you a cleaner cut. Big difference with this, don't get confused when I say Japanese saw, because this actually cuts on the push stroke, whereas Japanese saws, as a rule, cut on the pull stroke. But the design is like a silky saw, that type of tooth. All right. So with this, much the same thing. You can do whatever angle you like, or you can we'll just do a 90 degree and clean that edge up. 90 degree, start the saw. And there you go, that gives an absolutely gorgeous silky finish to the cut. When you compare it to just a normal saw, it's much cleaner. But horses for courses. That's an alternative if you don't want to cut using hand saws. Till the next video, where we'll be covering rip saws and how to do rip cuts. I sincerely hope you enjoy your wonderful world of woodworking journey, and I will see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.